Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off your hot and cold water supplies. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the GE washer tub dampening strap retainer. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new tub dampening strap retainer. The tub dampening strap retainer is what holds the tub dampening strap onto the tub. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if this piece broke off and the tub dampening strap can't attach to it. In order to get to the part, the first thing we have to do is remove the console. We're going to use our Torx 20 screwdriver and remove the screws across the top. Now that we have the screws out, we can take the console and swing it forward and gently lay it down on the top of the machine. And we can disconnect the air hose for the pressure switch. And then on the other end, there is an orange and white wiring harness that goes to the lid switch. So we're going to disconnect that. Now that you have everything disconnected, we can take the control panel and gently lay it over the back so it's out of the way. Now that we have the console out of the way, we can remove the front panel. We're going to take a putty knife and run it in from the corner until you feel the lock, and then go over a little bit more and push it in to release it. And then you can pull on the front panel to get it out. Once you have that side done, you can do the other side. Once you have the clips released, all you have to do is lower the panel down a little bit and lift it off the two retaining brackets. Next, we can remove the 2 1/4-inch screws that hold the top to the body. Once we get those out, we can slide the top out forward a little bit and pull it off. There's 4 of these on the washing machine, 1 in each corner. If you're going to change them all out, they're all changed the same way. The tub dampening strap retainer is located in the corner. It's held in by 1 1/4-inch screw, which we can remove from underneath. Now that we have the screw out, we can push on the retainer and pull it out through the top. Once we have it out, we can pull it off the strap. Here's the old tub dampening strap retainer next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new tub dampening strap retainer on, all we have to do is put it into the strap, and then we can put it underneath and put the tab back up through the hole. Now we can come underneath and use our 1/4-inch nut driver to put the screw back in. Make sure you run the pressure hose back up through this hole in the metal plate. So when we put the console back on, we can connect it to the water level switch. When you put the top back on, you want to make sure this tab goes into this slot, and then you can push it back so it locks in. And when you do that, it'll line up this tab so it drops into this slot. We can use our 1/4-inch nut driver and put in the screws. Now we can lift the console back over and set it into the 3 slots. Before we can close it up, we have to reconnect the water level switch and reconnect the lid switch wiring harness. Now we can rotate the control panel up and put the screws in with our Torx 20 screwdriver. Now that we have the part installed, we can put the front back on the washer. All you have to do is line it up and set it onto the tabs at the bottom, and then lift it up so these pins match up with the holes on the front of the panel. Once you have the pins lined up, you can snap it shut. Now that you're done repairing the appliance, you can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and give it a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.